we're doing for this customer is just a gravel driveway or parking area. He's been parking his boat here, and you can see these ruts. He's been sinking in quite a bit over time. So we're going to dig this whole area out, excavate down about 6 inches, put down some geo fabric, stabilization fabric, and then put about 5 to 6 inches of modified on top of it. See here, you got to be real careful digging along the edge of the driveway, because if the edge of that bucket catches the driveway, you'll rip this blacktop up real easy. And what we like to do, if this is going to be our outline, we cut it ahead of time with like a flat shovel. We just go through and cut it down, so that way the grass will come up like a sod cutter almost. There it is. We got it all dug out. Wasn't too bad. I'd say about an hour. We got a little bit of cleanup to do with the shovels on the edge, but that's about it with the machine. So now we're going to go dump off this load of dirt, pick up our modified and get some fabric, and get to work. You hear that, Corey? Get to work.
Yeah.
All right, we just dumped off this load of dirt to add to this massive pile of dirt that these guys have here. Here I am getting loaded with another 5 tons of modified. That bucket he has on there is about a 5-yard bucket, so it gets pretty close. Sometimes it ends up being a little heavy, but it's not that big of a deal. Unless it's gonna put you overweight, of course. Then you wanna be careful. Talk to our people. Is it going? Normally the dump trailer would dump this load, but since it's on a decline, if you will, we're gonna have to give it a little bit of assistance. So I'm gonna teach you guys $1 million trick right now. Got the shell bar on the frame. A little bit of leverage is all you need. I'll probably have to pull up, get it out. You can see we put down our geo fabric. This is a woven fabric. It's for stabilization, and it'll prevent, you know, weeds coming up through it. You see that wire up there, right?
I see it.
All right. I'm probably gonna have to pull forward.
Pull up.
Yeah. We got about 20 tons of modified down there. We're running that plate compactor over it, make sure it's, you know, in there nice and tight, compacted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.